Ahoy mates, it's Julie with Wednesday's episode of the Boaters TV. First up today, here's what's making a splash in nautical news. This past week, Las Vegas hosted the 7th Annual Marine Aftermarket Accessories Trade Show, or MAATS, presented by the National Marine Manufacturers Association and Boating Writers International. 6 products were recognized for innovative achievement. Heralding in the arrival of the next generation in EPIRB technology, Revere survival products McMurdo Smartfind Plus 406 GPS EPIRB is the only all-digital GPIRB, that's GPS and EPIRB combined, available today, incorporating a high-accuracy GPS for enhanced position location. This advanced emergency beacon also allows for the use of a non-hazardous battery. Next up, and winning the boat care, coating, chemicals, and maintenance tools category, check out EngineCheckUp, a fast and reliable method of diagnosing problems with any 4-cycle gasoline or diesel boat engine. Simply place a few drops of oil on a test pad and it reveals the condition of the oil and amount of contaminants. The FloatStep dock ladder took the prize in the deck equipment category. The primary purpose of this patent-pending jobby is to allow safe access to and from a dock or seawall at any water level. When not in use, a bottom-mounted float allows all steps to remain above the water. In the safety category, Mustang Survival's Survival Rescue Stick provides rapid flotation assistance to a person at risk of drowning. Once contact is made with the water, it inflates in seconds to a large horseshoe shape, keeping the victim's head above water until help arrives. In the trailer parts and accessories category, the winner in this category was Rope-A-Boat, an automatic boat loader where a multi-compartment winch automatically aligns, latches, and centers a boat on a trailer, making boat loading and unloading fast, easy, safe, and a one-person job for anyone. Finish loading the boat by either manually cranking the winch or use a wireless remote control. So, there you have this year's innovative new product winners. By the way, a total of 50 new products were entered into 8 categories for this year's MAATS Awards program. Now, from the most cutting-edge products to the biggest boats, here's today's Yada 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 segment. Power-and-Motoryacht magazine's August issue features their annual list of the world's 100 largest yachts, written by Diane Byrne. It started 22 years ago with the simple idea of a ranked list, which, by the way, now excludes yachts owned by or maintained by heads of state. But it quickly grew into one of the magazine's most popular features, and in turn, one of the highest-selling issues every year. Emulators and even imitators have followed, but PMY's list remains the originator and most often referred to authority on mega-yachts. This year, the magazine has retooled the list, christening it the Power-and-Motoryacht 100, and it includes additional photos, fascinating facts, and more detailed information about the vessels and their lucky owners. Additionally, PMY has added exclusive digital content online, such as videos, slideshows, and downloadable podcasts. Topping this year's list is the 456-foot Al Salama, owned by Saudi Arabian Defense Minister Prince Sultan bin Abdulaziz. But little is known about the ship beyond its length and astounding 77-foot beam. The ship is rumored to have 13-foot ceiling heights and over 82 rooms, one of which may be a hospital. Power-and-Motoryacht tells us that according to the prince's wishes, lips have been tightly sealed on all matters surrounding the vessel, including a rumored name change. Let's just hope they use the denaming ceremony we mentioned last week. For interesting tidbits like these, and to view the full list, pick up a copy of PMY off the newsstands now. Or, better yet, visit www.power-and-motoryacht.com. And all of these yachts and more are profiled by the subject of today's Ships Domains feature, a guide to cruising and perusing boat websites online. Here's a cool yacht spotter site to check out, the blog Monaco Eye, which can be accessed by going to the main site domain, www.monacoeye.com, profiles individual ships with each blog post, listing basic information such as length, year, architect, and builder. It doesn't have quite as much detailed information about the owners as PMY does on their site, but as for the photographs of the yachts, this site is incredible, sometimes including close-up shots of interesting details. You can view the featured yachts alphabetically or by length. Note that all the photos on the site are copyrighted, but are available for sale and licensing. All this talk about size brings us to today's Power Play segment. A recent YouTube clip features cigarette boats catching huge air by speeding through river rapids and other rough waters. Is this the beginning of a new trend? Off-road boating? These guys are nuts. Must be quite the adrenaline rush, though. That's all for today. Join us again on Friday for another installment of the Boaters TV. Until then, safe and happy boating to you all. Take care. This episode of the Boaters TV was brought to you by the letter P. That's P for Papa, and signifying all aboard, this vessel is about to proceed to sea.